Finding a job offer from outside the UK appears to be one of the major obstacles to migrating to the UK. This video is about how you can easily find a visa sponsorship job from outside the UK, which will then enable you to kickstart your migration journey. You will be able to take your wife, if you have a wife, or your husband and children with you, and after 5 years of residing in the UK, you will be able to apply for your permanent residence and subsequently your citizenship. Free education and free healthcare await your children in the UK. This pathway is very straightforward. I will leave links in the description section for you to start looking for jobs. There is no age limit. Anyone, regardless of your skills and profession, will be able to use this strategy to look for jobs in the UK. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Share this video with anyone that you think will benefit so that they can start using this strategy to start looking for jobs as soon as possible. If you are coming across my video for the first time, my name is Francis. I do video to help people to legally migrate abroad without needing to spend money on agent or lawyer. If your dream this year is to legally migrate abroad, regardless of the country that you're planning to migrate to, Launch Club Media will help you to migrate without you needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. Information and knowledge are two of the most important things when it comes to migration and using the information on time. Therefore, it is in your best interest to consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. We want to help as many people as possible to fulfill their migration dream without needing to spend money on agents and lawyers. We have a team of dedicated staff who take their time to scan, research for information to help you to fulfill your migration journey. The only thing you can do in return is to consider subscribing to this channel and spread the good news to your family and friends about our mission to help as many people as possible to legally migrate without spending money on agents and lawyers. So I'm going to take you now to the step-by-step guide of how you can easily land a visa sponsorship job from anywhere in the world as long as you have access to the internet. So let me show you now. Okay, so this is the easiest way to find a visa sponsorship job. So the first thing you should do, I'm going to show you the first job now. So this job is a job that they are looking, as you can see, they are looking for senior engineer. As you can see here, it's boldly written here. It says, oh, let me just bring it up. As you can see here, it's boldly written. This is a job that comes with visa sponsorship. As you can see, it's written boldly here, visa sponsorship. So it says, Sham Mob is a growing game developer. This company, they are game developing. They will offer you visa sponsorship. As you can see, it's boldly written there. Okay. Now this is this job. Okay. Now if you want to apply for this job, so you go on the website. This is the company's website. You apply for this job. You answer this question. Once you finish answering this question, you will submit your application for a senior engineer position. It's very straight. This job is actually being advertised, as you can see, by Google. Okay, so there are jobs there, but like I said before, you need to know how to look for the right job and where to look for. So let me just show you how I got this job. Okay, so we got this job. Let's take that off. We got this job simply by going on to Indeed. Just type in there, say Google sponsorship jobs. That is all I typed in. As you can see there, I typed that in, it came up like this, and it took me to the website and I applied for the job. There are loads of jobs here offering visa sponsorship job. That is just one job. Let me show you another job now, okay? So I'm going to show you other jobs here. Let's quickly just go to the other one. Let's go to this one. Okay, so this is another job here that we've got for you. Okay, that's another job. Let me quickly show you another one. Okay, now for someone who is healthcare assistant, someone who is a midwife, as you can see here, there are loads of jobs here offering visa sponsorship. Let's take this one for instance. Okay, what is this? It says UK visa sponsorship. Okay, this one, it says here tier 2 certificate air travel to the UK. They will even cover your flight ticket to the UK. They will provide you 3 months free accommodation and orientation. So you will be working 37 hours weekly. Okay, roles and responsibility, you will be working with other teams here. Okay, that your starting salary will be 25,000 pounds. They need someone with a minimum of 1 year experience. That is another job. Okay, how do you apply? You go to the company's website, submit your application. This one is very simple. You go to the company's website, and you will apply now. So you fill in this place, then you attach your CV, you're done. Very simple. Okay, I'm going to show you other ones. Okay, so let me just quickly take another site. So this one is another one. This is a chef, actually a chef. Okay, a chef is offering you visa sponsorship jobs. Okay, as you can see here, it says UK visa sponsorship. They are going to offer you sponsorship. There are even this one, healthcare assistants, offering you visa sponsorship jobs. Jobs for everyone. There's another job offering you visa sponsorship. Don't worry, I will leave these links in the description section for you. Okay, the good thing about this is that some of these jobs, they will tell you, if they don't want visa sponsorship, they'll tell you this is another job for a nurse offering you visa sponsorship. Let's go to what does it say here. You see UK visa sponsorship written there. This one will offer you another visa sponsorship again. Okay, offer you another visa sponsorship here. You see here, it is boldly written visa sponsorship. This page is full of jobs offering you visa sponsorship. Even this one is offering you mentor. They want to mentor you and they will offer you visa sponsorship. You see that one? That's another one offering you visa sponsorship. Like I said at the beginning, it's about knowing where to target. And once you have the right job, you shoot your shot, you make sure you've done your homework well. That's another home care assistant offering you visa sponsorship job. In fact, this one says urgently needed. They need you. So if you know anyone who is in the UK, this one is even saying they will consider a student. If you're watching this video right now, you know someone who's in the UK, who's a student, who's struggling, send this video to them and tell them to apply for this job as soon as possible. This is, as you can see here, say student offering visa sponsorship jobs. So how did we get this page up now? So we got this page up again, but we went here. I'm going to show you quickly. Okay, so you see, I went to Indeed. Indeed is one of the biggest job website in the UK. It's used a lot in Europe and North America as well. I just went to Indeed's website and I typed visa sponsorship job and all the jobs popped out. Okay, visa sponsorship job. Let me show you another one again. Okay. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to quickly show you another one. Which one again? I'm going to quickly show you another one. Okay, now let's say for instance we're looking for visa sponsorship job for season worker. So let's see, visa sponsorship for seasonal farm workers UK. So we're going to go back again to the farm work for you. So we're going to see here, this one is another visa sponsorship job in the farm. Okay, if you know anyone who wants to work in the farm, this is how they bring it up. This is how you bring farm visa sponsorship job up. It's very, very easy to get. I cannot stress this enough. Google is your best friend. Use Google search, use Google Scholar. Now, once you've finally landed the job, you've seen the job, make sure you work on your CV. All my videos, I keep stressing it. I cannot stress it enough. Most employers in the UK only have 20 seconds to look at your CV. If you do not have the right CV, you can do all this now. You're wasting your time because you're not going to be invited for interview if you do not have the right CV. Use the tools that I'm providing you. I've done all the hard work. Use the tools. Use sites such as JobsCan. Use sites such as My Perfect CV to perfect your CV before you start sending your CVs to prospective employers. Please, I want you to get this job. I want you to get this job. I've shown you how to find the job. You need to make sure you have the right CV. Your CV is what will determine if an employer invites you or not. So I hope you have found value for this video. This video covers every profession. Anyone can find a job with these strategies that I've said. If you know anyone that you think will benefit, please consider sharing this video to them. We want to help as many people as possible to fulfill their migration dream so that they do not have to spend money on agent and lawyer. Consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. Share this video with your family and friends, and I will see you when I release my next video. May God bless you, and may God let your dream come true. I'll see you soon.